Hello and welcome to my review of PaxForex, and as you can see I'm at the front page right here. Pretty interesting website. It's got quite a bit of information packed into a very small space, but I will go over all of the important aspects with you. The PaxForex company is born of a group of traders and dealers that worked at different competitors around the world who decided to open up their corporation. They do offer quite a bit of support through chat, Skype, callback requests, telephone, email, and therefore they are easily reached. When I spoke to them, they said that they were still in the process of being regulated through the country of Belize, so we'll have to see on that. That is the one outlier that you should pay attention to. They do have several different account types. They have the cent, the mini, the standard, and the VIP. You can see the minimum deposits here are 10, 100, 2,000, and 10,000. You can also trade various instruments depending on what you're looking at. Lot size, of course, changes as well. The trading conditions are shown here on this nice chart. It shows you cent accounts. Minimum spread is 2.4 on the euro, for example. Minimum goes all the way to 0.4 on standard and VIP accounts. So the main takeaway is that the larger the account, the better the spread. Basically, they reward you for being a bigger player. The spot metal conditions has margin required of 1%. Should point out that the Forex is 200 times, but we've got gold and silver here. Fixed spread account, mini account, standard. Fixed spreads are for the smaller one, obviously. Shares conditions, you can see that they offer a handful of the world's largest shares that most of you will be looking for, and some of the spreads are listed here. It is a 25% margin, so it's not the cheapest CFD market maker out there. Cryptocurrency, as you can see, they offer Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple CFDs. To deposit and withdraw your money, there are several options. There's NetTeller, bank transfer, credit cards, Skrill, Perfect Money, Web Money, Kiwi, FastPay, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, if you choose to use coins. The research it's not bad. They've got a blog, Forex recommendations, fundamental analysis, etc. They do have it nicely tied up like this, so that's interesting. It does help you with that. The platform that they use is MetaTrader 4. You guys should all be aware of what MetaTrader 4 is, and if you have not traded Forex or CFDs in the past, this is hands down probably the best platform in the world. It's certainly one of the most intuitive, and it gives you the ability to trade with massive amounts of indicators and robots and the like. So you should already know basically how to use it, and if you don't, you'll find it to be, without a doubt, probably the best platform you can get your hands on without paying massive amounts of money. So in the end, PaxForex does give you the ability to trade several global markets. The question, of course, comes down to whether or not you feel comfortable waiting for this brokerage firm to get regulated.